It's the first day of school! Senior year!
I'm excited to see my teachers.
Be the new class president.
Spirit Week! And I'm excited to see all the new renovations. Let's go!
The cafeteria was one of the first things to be renovated a couple summers ago.
I love the open space it gives and how I'm able to connect with my classmates.
And the updates in the kitchen have allowed for a wider variety of healthy foods.
We're in the chapel. This place provides a modern and inclusive feel.
This space allows me to become re-centered throughout the day and focus on my relationship with God.
While using the turf field, we never have to worry about canceling practice or PE.
It also has a way cleaner look and enhances our performance.
While our turf field was being renovated, so was the gym.
The sound system has made for better pep rallies.
And our athletes have made 2 state appearances.
This is great. The theater foyer is so much brighter and more open. I love these welcoming seats in the history wall.
I also heard that they are renovating the theater.
The new lights, seats, and carpet in the theater have helped create such a wonderful atmosphere.
And now there's no bad seat in the house. How did this happen?
The Capital Campaign. During our freshman year, administration heard our needs as students and started raising money.
Are they done?
Not yet. There are still 2 projects the Capital Campaign is raising money for: the theater sound and the concrete outside the theater building.
Thank you to everyone who made this possible. You have impacted us and the IWA community. Are you excited for this?
Oh, I'm so ready. Yeah.